Ismaila Twizukiretake orukukuro kutezo burura bwa district ya Kasese yasima abahandikisibwa obutagera mico mbi
kandi nishaba ngo bagumizemo batyo tubase kugira ubururu rwihorere mu Busongora South 2018.
Jackson Mbaju katika owekibina cha National Unity Platform ninga shinup yayihandikisa shahi na nedakika 20 za Kasese kandi mu kuganiraho n'abanyamakuru yaraganso kwija gukora terengenderwa hoze by'ubururu
which includes agenda that relate to the development of our people, which includes enforcement and practice of our democracy in its fullness.
Jore mugisho ryo muwezi wa president w'ekibina cha National Unity Platform nawe yayetaba omukwandikisa candidate wabo Benedette Businje ow'ekibina cha Democratic Party owayihandikisa sha mukaga nedakika 5 zihangwe yagira ngo kwara asinja karuraka amani naija kugatombi obuhinji.
You see, they always say agriculture is the backbone and a farmer is left behind. You will look at the prices of the agricultural products versus the products of the industrial materials. You will see a big gap where a farmer is being left behind.
The challenge of the animals which escape from the national park and destroy their crops. So I'm going to work hand in hand with the government to see how best we can actually prevent these animals from escaping from the national park.
I'll work on health. Our health as people of Busongora South is not good. We still need more. As a woman, there is a lot I know that is not on the good terms, so I'm ready to work on that.
Abanda barukwenda kwesimba nibija kweyandikisizo baryanye nchakare kandi kutera karuraka nebiri 18 byo kwezoku gashakwa Gilbert Mahanguzi abwa TV West omuri Kasese.